This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help fix error code NW-31297-2. First, ensure your internet connection is active and stable. A quick check of your network status on your PlayStation can confirm this. Next, try a simple restart of both your internet router and your PlayStation console. This often resolves temporary network glitches. Finally, verify your PlayStation's network settings are correctly configured, especially the connection method. These initial steps are crucial for basic troubleshooting. If the initial steps don't work, let's adjust your network settings. Manually set your DNS to public servers like Google's, using 8.8.8.8 for the primary and 8.8.4.4 for the secondary. You could also try assigning a static IP address to your PlayStation. Additionally, make sure your router's firmware is completely up to date, as outdated firmware can cause connectivity issues. For more advanced solutions, consider configuring port forwarding. You'll need to open specific PlayStation network ports, TCP ports 80, 443, and 3478 to 3480, and UDP ports 3478 to 3479. As a temporary test, you might place your PlayStation in the DMZ, but be aware this reduces security, so use it cautiously and briefly. After making any changes, always test your internet connection again on your PlayStation to confirm the error is resolved. If the issue persists despite these steps, it's time to reach out for professional help. Contact your internet service provider. They can check for any problems on their end. Alternatively, PlayStation support can offer further specialized troubleshooting and guidance to get you back online.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.